new headband wig that I got from Kriyya hair. So I'm starting off using my 2 favorite edge controls like I always do. These are the absolute best, you guys. I will put them down below in the description box just in case you're looking for them. But I do want to point out, be careful with the Arcani. I've used this gel 50 million times and still can't even say it. But that first edge control, because it will leave a white cast if you use too much. So just be careful with it. So I use that first, and then I use my Gold Well, the blue gel that I showed you, on top of the clear gel, and it stays put all day long, you guys. So from here, I'm just going to lay my edges just a little bit. I usually go a little bit, you know, harder when it comes to my headband wigs and laying my little edges right here. But because it's a highlight wig and it's not quite that black that I need, you know, like that matches my hair, I wanted to keep as little of my natural hair like tucked under so that it would blend as the best as possible. All right, you guys, so let's get into this headband wig. So I've only worn, I guess I should say, a highlight wig one other time, I believe, maybe 2, but I'm leaning towards 1. This of course comes with the larger combs, no actual clips that you press down on your head, anything like that. They just kind of slide right on in, which is what I'm going to show you right here. So because this unit just slides in, as long as you're not doing any like backflips and gymnastics and all that kind of stuff, you should be fine as far as like it's not gonna come off of your head. If it's just like workday wig, just kind of everyday wig that you are wearing it for, you should be good. So I typically wash my units before I put them on so that I can show you guys the real curl pattern. But like I said, I was pressed for time today and did not get a chance to. So this is body wave. I'm just going to add in a few curls just to get those crimps out. I'm not doing anything super uniform or, super tight. I just want to loosen up the crimps a little bit. And with this particular hair, so with this body wave, the texture is a little bit thicker. I do prefer a textured highlight versus it just being straight. So this is not as silky, and I'm only saying that because it has the body wave to it. Maybe if I straightened it all out, like actually flat ironed it straight, it would be silkier. But with this little texture with the curls and the crimson stuff, I like it much better. And also, here's a tip when it comes to any pre-colored hair. So whether you're doing a highlight headband wig or 99J like burgundy wig, anything that's pre-colored, always try your best to let it air dry and use as little heat as possible. So I'm just gonna pop 2 different headband on for you guys just to give you some different looks that you could wear. I have grown to love this little colorful scarf, and I felt like Disco Diva in this with this scarf on and this highlight wig. So it was also very comfortable. I just want to point that out. I do like the combs on this. This is definitely a super easy unit to just throw on and go and not have to think about. And this unit is priced pretty good. It's gonna come in under $120, and this is 22 inches. So y'all know if I have any coupons or anything like that, I will put them down in the description box for you. That's pretty much it for this review, you guys, for this quick video. Another easy, great everyday headband wig for you, just in case you need one. The summer is coming up and y'all ain't gonna want to be dealing with those lace fronts all the time. So let me know if you have any questions, any comments, please put them down below. I will put all the information about this unit down below in the description box as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.